Okay, so I've opened my supply order list and it's in Excel. And so what you're going to need to do is figure out what you want to purchase. There are URLs. All the URLs should work. If not, you can always go to the vendor and you can search for the item number or even for the item itself to see exactly what it looks like. You want to make sure you're not buying rubber bands that are too large or the wrong color um, ink pen or what have you. So I'm going to just kind of give a little demo quickly of how you're going to purchase these. So let's say I want to buy these accelerated reader stickers, the row number 7. So I'm going to do Baton Rouge High. Let's say that's my school. And I'm going to buy, I don't know, 5 of these rolls. Once I put the 5 in that box, and I click off of it, it's going to total over here to give me my total for how much the accelerated reader stickers are going to be. Okay, you do not need to do math. Just put your number in here. It's going to give you the number here. That's all you need to do. Let's say I also needed some I don't know, some of these stands right here for some reason. So I'm going to put in my school. You can also drag and put your school in too. I just want 2 of those. So you can see it's going to total the 272 there. Now, if I go all the way down, not to make you dizzy, but we'll get to the bottom eventually. There's my total. So it's totaling everything up for you. You do not need a calculator. Just add in your quantities and everything will be done. All right. Now, what are we going to do with the rows where we do not want those things? So like for instance, I do not want row 2. I don't want anything to do with a bag that hangs up. So I'm going to highlight the rows I do not want. So I just click down on 2 right here and I dragged my mouse all the way down, and then I'm going to right click and then I'm going to go to delete. Now we don't want to delete the contents because that's still going to leave the rows there. I want to get rid of the entire row. So I'm going to hit delete and all the rows are gone. And I'm going to do the same thing here because I don't want anything from these 2. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit delete and it's going to leave those 2 for me. Now, eventually, I would want to highlight all of these and delete them if those were the only 2 items I wanted to purchase, but for time's sake, I'm not going to do that because it all works the same. And as you can see, you're going to have your total. So if I only wanted those 2 items, what I should have for my final product here are those 2 rows with the 2 items I want and my total amount. Okay, then once you're going to finish that, you're going to do file and you're going to save it. You might want to save as and save it something new and go ahead and save that on your desktop or wherever. And then you're going to make sure you send that to libraryservices@ebrschools.org. Do not email it to Susan. Do not email it to Charlene. Email it to libraryservices@ebrschools.org.